Have you ever been interested or ever wanted to try authentic Ghanaian cuisine, or perhaps even try cooking it yourself at home? Well, if that's the case, then you're in the right place. Hello, fellow home chefs. My name is Swad, a true African American. My father was American in the military, and my mother was from the tribe of Nzima on my grandmother's side, and from the Gant tribe on my grandfather's side. I grew up eating a lot of authentic Ghanaian food from my mother's kitchen, and for me, that is comfort food. As my mother says, cooking is in our DNA, and I enjoy cooking. And I've acquired a palate that enjoys a variety of tastes and flavors. I enjoy cooking a lot, so this channel will feature videos of not just authentic Ghanaian cooking, but also Ghanaian cooking with a little bit of my own twist, as well as other international cuisines that I enjoy cooking and eating. My family puts a high value on passing down traditions and legacies. So for me, it was very important for me to learn how to make these African traditional cuisines that I grew up loving, but I also then decided to go ahead and share with anyone else who was interested in this cuisine as well. So if you're like me, a home chef who enjoys cooking a variety of international cuisines and flavors, then subscribe below and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my good weekly recipes. I am also always open to any recipe suggestions or comments or questions, so please feel free to leave a comment below anytime. I look forward to sharing more of my traditional recipes and heritage with you, so welcome to my kitchen, and I hope you learn a lot. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon.